Forgotten username recovery failed on Starling Business Fix. If your attempt to recover your Starling Business username keeps failing, don't panic, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because they expect Starling to still use traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Starling Business no longer relies on usernames. Instead, your registered email or phone number acts as your main login credential. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Starling Business app or go to the official website. On the login page, enter your registered email address or phone number. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for old messages from Starling, such as account confirmations or transaction alerts. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the reset link sent to your email. Check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it right away. Step 3. If your account was created using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, make sure to use the same method. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still can't access your account, contact Starling Business Support through the in-app chat or help center. Provide your full name, registered email, and mention that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore your access quickly. Most users think their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Starling Business has modernized its login system for security and convenience. Once you use your verified email or phone, you'll regain full access. So don't worry, your account and financial data are safe. Just log in using your email or linked account, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your business finances in minutes.